Just listen to this one, or else you just close your eyes. I'll do this rest there.
But so can lie down. Can we
Yeah,
lie down now?
if you want, I can give the mat. I can give the mat.
No. I have. We have.
Yeah, you can. That is also fine. As per your comfort. If you want to lie down also is fine. Or sitting is okay. So it's comfortable. You comfortable in that?
Yeah.
Comfortable in the chair pura देखे. Comfort.
Yes. Can you keep our head this way?
East.
East.
East is right.
This is east.
और भी है. अभी. Next Does anyone want water to drink?
No.
Really? Again. Does anyone want water to drink?
No.
Okay, I'll explain why no or why yes or why. I will ask if I want. Okay? Okay. Yeah, again. Imagine.
No, that's not.
चलो. If you want other one, I'll give you other one. Anybody is having ear pain or anything?
No.
Alright. Come.
No. You should not talk, okay?
So no ear pain, right? So what pains you are having?
Back pain.
Randomly you can start, not a problem. It is that.
Back pain.
The east, west.
Knee pain.
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
She is polio. எனக்கு
ಏನಾದ್ರು pain ಇರುತ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Madam, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಂತ pain ಇದೆಯಾ?
Okay.
Pain ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಡೆಯೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. This let me put a drainage in mind. This is the one.
ಸರಿ.
For walking.
ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಏಳುವಾಗ ನೋವು
No.
no, I had pain.
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೇನ್
Back pain.
सर जी आपको कुछ नहीं?
I had pain, but now it TKR, total knee replacement. So after that, it's 2017.
Where does this pain come from? Question.
Mind.
Why it is coming from
When
mind?
the blood circulation gets somewhere disrupted,
The nerve.
the blood is not passing through the nerves. If we have a cut, blood supply is stopped from here to here, that area, and then
It will be numb,
it
not
gets clogged.
It will not be paining. It will be numb only.
Numb.
But pain. There is something which is called pain coming from somewhere.
That is a signal that somewhere something is wrong.
Mine is lymphatic drainage. They call edema lymphatic drainage. Water blowing in the bladder. I cannot walk freely. This for the treatment only pressure sound. Night I am removed for the blood circulation. The daytime I can wait, but I cannot walk freely. Somebody should be there walking, maybe walker.
ಸೊ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸೇ
No. So pain is coming from somewhere. Doctor will give pain killer, but it will not
Yeah.
kill anything.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ left.
I had
just like problem.
ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ
He's got a
Okay, sir.
brain tumor. I got
No
hospitalized
problem.
4 years back. Actually, tumor, no?
pain is coming from brain.
Yeah.
Whenever your water tank is filled of your house, what will happen?
Overflow.
Overflow. When your brain is having a certain memory that is limit, if it overflows, where it will go? You are not able to sustain anything. What will happen? Breathe. Somewhere it has to go. Where it will go? It will find a pocket or a storage or a place where it can sit until unless you tell it to go off. So it will go in the back pain. It will find a pocket somewhere in the bones or in the major nerves or in the major systems. Maybe put that or maybe breathing system, maybe some other system it will find. Based on the messages you have. Okay. So until unless you tell it to go, it will not go. What happens? You have mobiles? You do use mobile?
Yeah.
If it is full, what happens?
No, we did bring it.
Yeah,
No, I got mobile.
If it is full, message is full, memory is full, what happens?
Black.
It will not run. So what you will do?
Yeah.
Until unless you remove those things, it will.
Yes.
So same thing will happen to your brains also. If you don't remove anything, even though it is not required, you will keep it. Some serial, some people have done something, some unknown things have been happened or triggered something for you. All those memories are kept inside your brain. If you don't remove it, you will not be free from anything. Until unless you remove, you will not fly. Understand? So there are ways to do it. To remove the memory from your brain, there is a way to do it. You can cleanse by yourself or by other methods also. I will tell you all the methods. Whichever is easy for you, you can do it. Okay. Shall we start with first one?
Yes.
Okay. It is nothing. Just open your mouth and say ah. Can you do it? Easy? Difficult? Okay, we'll start together. Again. Again. What did you observe? Somewhere something is vibrating. Correct? No?
No, I didn't feel it.
You didn't feel it.
I
But
didn't
somebody
feel
is
it.
hitting something outside. Did you listen to anything? Are you able to listen to that fellow? No. Something is blocked from the outside world. What it is? Your sound. So you can do it whenever you are having some problems. You can just let it go by saying how. It will start cleansing your body. Other one is who. Can you say who? Who? Okay. But this time I'll have one more gesture with your hand to do it. Can you do it, Victory? No need to hold up, sir. You can lay down also. Yeah, that's also. Yes. You can keep down. This one? Easy? Any tough questions? No, no, not crossing. Just hold it. The other, that is happening. Yes, good. Good? Now. Not happening? Yes. Right.
No, this
Any one hand is also fine. Yes, good. That's good. Good.
This is okay.
Sir? This one is reverse, sir. Victory. Okay? Good. Good, good, good.
Can
Okay.
your system cure insomnia?
It's okay.
Yes,
I'll tell you.
Insomnia.
I'll tell you that one also. Yes, that also will do. In next 30 minutes, I'll challenge somebody will be snoring more than them. Now nothing will be listen. Now you can test it now also. Okay. Now we'll just hold it. You can hold it or just do it like this. Anyway, it's fine. Just say who with me. Okay. We are concentrating on what? Ourselves. Somebody felt some vibrations inside the body. If you have felt it, where?
Stomach.
Yes, stomach.
Same,
No.
same.
No, sir.
Same, stomach.
No magic.
No. No vibration.
No vibration. Somewhere should be, at least in the throat, some vibration should be there. Somewhere it is coming
When
from.
you make a sound, the throat vibrates.
Yes.
So vibrating, you can't make
But
a
you are not
sound.
able to listen to outside sound, right? At least unless you are listening to your sound.
I'm listening to my sound, so just how I
Wonderful.
can't listen.
Good, sir. Good. Now we'll go to the next one. Just, you can get that. Yes. Just spread the hands, or you can hold it like this one. Anything is fine. Okay. Just say, okay, that is also fine. How do you bless your children or anybody? Correct.
Yes.
Now, third one, the hum, only hum. Okay. Will do? Together? You can close your eyes. No problem. You can close your eyes now. Close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Close. Now say only hum. I'll start, you will repeat, okay? Hum. How is it?
Very well.
So these are the magic words which you already have with you.
Om.
It is not home. Home will be the condensed formation of that. But hum will cleanse all the memories which you have. It is easy to cleanse everything from body. From bottom up, you can cleanse everything. Right. It was stomach. Ooh, it will be like this. It will be vibrating here. And hum, your brain.
Brain.
Even though so many things are there going outside, you never thought of anything. Easy? Difficult?
No, sir, very
No.
easy magic.
You can do it anytime. Whenever you feel something, you need to get it out. Just say, this is gone from me. It is not going from me, it has gone from me. You want to release anything, you can do it. Other way, you can't do this one also. Can you write it? But there is no this one and this one. Only you can just do standing line, sleeping line, whatever drawing you can make it. To get that incident out of your brain. You can draw a drawing or painting, anything. Just do it and burn it. You do it. That also is easy. You do it if you can.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is easy, very easy.
Okay. Next one. If you cannot do this one also, then there is called sound healing. Okay. There's so many ragas also there which involve, but sound healing is the best way where you will take your things out of your brain and make sure that everything is there. If you have any pains, which you said back pain or your pain, concentrate on that pain only. I didn't tell this one earlier, but you can hum also, you can do this concentration and do it. But sound healing, I'll tell you because you will not be able to do it in that way. Now, because of the age factor, I'll tell you just to see that pain which you are seeing as of now is gone. Not going, it is removed completely. Can you see that? Just concentrate on that one part. Yours is that it is already healed and everything is clear now. I'm happily working on that one and happily working in that one. Okay. For you also the same thing. You just change it. But make sure it is listened. You should never say that okay, it is coming or it is there somewhere. No, it is gone. Just feel that it is gone. Then you concentrate on that point only and sit quiet for some time. I'll be doing this program. Listen to it. Any doubts, I'll clear it for you at the end. Any doubt, even small to small, don't even wait for to ask. Yes, you can ask later also, but just hold it for some time. Maybe 15-20 minutes. I will do this. I mean, 30 minutes we will be able to do it. You will not read it what time it is and what time it has passed. For you, the sleeplessness, I'll see what exactly we can do later. But now, you just observe the sound and see what you can do. Your pain has gone. Okay? Until unless you remove or wash it from your brain, it will not erase. You have to go and delete it. Now you can do that for me. Okay? Shall we do? Shall we start? No. Close
Gently
your eyes.
close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply.
Close.
Exhale slowly. Keep your hands on your laps. Close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath in and relax. Just count up 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Just do it for 10 times. Supreme Almighty, Divine Father, Divine Mother, Holy Angels, Archangels, Gurus, Sadgurus, or Sarkariyas. Please cleanse the soul, mind, and the body through your divine light and divine energy. Supreme Almighty is the healer. I am a facilitator. Just focus on your breathing. Feel that all unwanted energies as universe is sucking from you. Feel the relaxation. Feel the freeness. Focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Observe the state of mind. Observe the flow of energy within your body. This body is the precious gift of Mother Nature. Honor your body. Respect your body. Observe the state of mind. Observe the flow of energy within your own body. Feel that universal divine energy is entering from your top of the head. It's washing all unwanted energies from your soul, mind, and the body. It's energizing each and every organ of your body, each and every whoever troubling, suffering, pain, just feel that you are let going all the things which is troubling you right now. Gently focus on your right foot, ankle, right calf muscle, right knee, and the thigh. It's totally relaxed and healed. Gently focus on your left foot, ankle, calf muscle, knee, and the thigh. It's totally relaxed and healed. Feel the relaxation, feel the freeness happening within your own body. Focus Be thankful for all the organs. They are working for you. They are totally relaxed. Ascend your awareness towards your chest, heart, lungs. They are totally relaxed and gently focus on your neck, front and back. Just release your all hidden thoughts which you are not able to release it. Feel the relaxation, feel the freeness happening within your own body. Focus on your shoulder, right and left. It's totally relaxed and as if 100 kilos of weight is removed from your shoulder. Feel the relaxation, feel the freeness happening within your own body. Gently focus on your right hand, armpit, elbow, wrist, palm and the fingers. It's totally relaxed and